Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Arriellenicole, also known as ENQUIRIES here on YouTube. So if you're here today clicking on this video, then you're obviously here to see these contact lenses. These are the Elite lenses. I have worked with this brand before and I had absolutely no problem with them. That being said, all opinions are my own. I will not hold back on any criticism if some is to be made. I'm 100% real with you guys, okay? 100% real. You watch my last video, which I will leave up in the iCard or I will leave it down below. I have pretty much reviewed all of their shades except for one shade. They have 7 colors in total. And by the way guys, I will be leaving timestamps so you can skip through this video if you want to get straight to the lookbook. But I have 2 lenses to review today, and I have Jadeite and I also have Zoltanite, and I'm actually excited to try these colours because I haven't tried these colours before. But like I said, if you want to see the rest of the colours, description, check that box down below, it will be there. But yeah, let's get straight into it. I'll probably do the lookbook first and then I will do the information about the lenses after. Yeah, so let's go. Okay guys, so that was the end of the mini lookbook of how the lenses actually looked. So right now I've got in Zoltanite, which is the hazel green colour, and as you can see, I don't know if you can tell on camera, like from this angle, if you can actually tell that I'm wearing contact lenses. It blends in so well to my natural eye colour, unless you're up close or if you know that I'm wearing the contact lenses, these can probably pass off as my real eyes. They feel comfortable. You know how you can get some lenses where it feels like you've got something in your eye. No matter how much you clean it or cleanse it or rub it with the contact lens solution, you can feel like there's something in your eye. With this, I don't feel there's anything in my eye, so I can easily wear these at least 8 hours a day, at least, easily, without any discomfort. Contact lens in. I'm not sure if you can see, but definitely in the lookbook you will be able to see. But the fact that you can't even see, that is a good sign in itself, like literally. So just a little background on these. They are semi-opaque, so because they are semi-opaque, they will blend into your natural eye color. So do keep in mind that if you buy these same colors, and say if you got a light eye color, say if your eyes are already hazel, they will give you a different color payoff than they will on dark eyes, like on my eyes. So if you buy these same lenses and you already have hazel eyes or you have light brown eyes, you will see a difference in your eye contacts compared to mine. So do keep that in mind. Because they are semi-opaque, they're not opaque, they're semi-opaque, so you can actually see your color underneath them, but it blends in a good way, if that makes sense. So they do have 7 colors, and I will be listing them down below, and I will also be linking my other review video, simply because I have reviewed all of their colors apart from one, which is Sunstone, I think. Yeah, Sunstone. So you will see all of the colors there. Many people were saying that they don't know how to navigate the website. So with their website, you do have to click on the little sidebar, and you have to click Shop Elite or Shop, and then it will bring you to their page, and it will also show you their prices. So their prices are £65, $65 should I say, for a pair of their lenses, but their lenses do last you a whole year, which I think is amazing, especially for the quality that you were getting. I can honestly say, hand on heart, I used to wear Cosmetic lenses, and I thought Cosmetic lenses was the most natural lenses you can get out there until I tried this brand. This brand, I give them their props, honey. I cannot give them their props any more than I am giving them their props now. This lens, you cannot go wrong. I promise you, if you was to buy these contact lenses, you won't regret it. And there is no limbo ring either, so it's not like people walk up to you and be like, oh, you got contact lenses on, because they can see your limbo ring. This don't have a limbo ring, so it literally blends into your eyes effortlessly, and I love that about these lenses. I just love how effortless they are. Like I said, I don't feel them in my eye. They do have a water content of 38%, by the way, so that's quite good, to be fair. It could be better, but it's quite good. So if you are a person where you tend to get dry eyes, then I do recommend carrying some eye drops with you, so you can put it in whenever and just hydrate your eyes. But personally, I don't really get dry eyes, but I will say I can easily wear these contacts for about 8 hours or so. I have no problem with these contacts. I can't feel them in my eyes. Knowing me, I probably forget I even have them in. So trust and believe when I say these contacts are the best. Better than Cosmetic. Never heard that from me, but they're better than Cosmetic. The only thing I will say to the company, when you do get your lenses, you literally just get your lenses. You don't get a lens case. So these lens cases, I did have to try and find them myself in my house, but just some like positive criticism, I would actually recommend if the company ships their lenses with a lens case, simply because this is my personal opinion, but if I was a first time buyer, for example, and I bought the lenses, if I never done my research, I would probably think that they're single use, simply because I never had a lens case arrive with it, and most lenses you get lens cases, and especially because I would class this as a high-end contact lens company, I would recommend if you do include these, simply because it makes it look a lot more appealing, a lot more better, and your customers will gain a lot more. So I do know that, okay, these probably cost like £1 or so, or they're really cheap to come about, but if they are included as a package, that will just take it up a notch, literally. So just a little bit of constructive criticism, which I think would really go. I did say this in my last video before as well, but I really do think if the company was to take it on board, it will go places. But yeah guys, that pretty much wraps up this video. If you do have any questions, do leave them down below and I will make sure to get back to you. But with these contact lenses, I will say it again, you cannot go wrong. £65, yearly lenses, lightweight on your eyes, doesn't dry out your eyes, feels comfortable, not irritable. Yeah, if you do have any questions, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment your questions down below, and I will make sure to get back to you. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.